Good day, my dear students. So, last class we discussed about some answers from the lesson Fair Play. Now, two more activities are pending in that lesson that I'll be sending you a PDF of the answers. Okay? So, when you get the answers, you have to write it into your notebook. Yes. Now we are moving to our 8th chapter. I hope your 7 chapters notes are complete. Okay? Your 7th chapters, 2 activities are pending. We should complete it. Okay? Yes. Now, the lesson's name is A Game of Chance. What is it? A game of chance. Now, before you read, have you ever won anything in a lucky dip or other such game of chance? Do you like such games? So, have you ever won anything in lucky dip? What is this lucky dip? Do you know? Yes. During some what? How can I give you an example? Tell me. Okay. For Christians, do you know about Mission Sunday? At your churches, you will have Mission Sundays, right? In that, they'll bring some covers to you and ask you to select. And in that, any one will contain a gift. So, if you are lucky, you will get that gift. That is lucky dip. And for others, during some of the fancy fit or some stalls, or some other occasions, you will have lucky dip and all, that you will have to take one ticket or something, and they'll find whether you are lucky. The simple example is lottery tickets. Okay, you'll take lottery tickets. If you are lucky, you will win the lottery. So it's a game of chance. You are taking a chance. Okay. Now, here you can see a lucky shop. Some children are there, tradesmen are there, people are there. I think it's it's a lucky shop. Then there are many stalls. People are crowded. Let's see what it is. Every year, on the occasion of Eid, there was a fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods. So, this is a fair related to Eid. Now, for Christmas and all, have you seen fairs like this? In beach and all, you will find different fairs related to Christmas, New Year, Onam and all. Yes, like this, in one village, due to Eid celebration, there was a fair. Even though they celebrate Eid only one day, this fair lasted for many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all the goods to sell. You could buy anything from a small pin to a big buffalo. Uncle took me to the fair. Baya, who worked for us at home, came with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Baya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle wanted me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. So suddenly during the fair, uncle met his friends, and his friends told him to spend some time with them. So uncle told our little one, don't go anywhere far, but you can have a look at all the shops. No, don't buy anything also. And now our little one is walking with Baya. Baya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise, pick up any 6 discs, add up the numbers on the disc, and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. So, what was there in the lucky shop? The people asked him to take 6 discs by giving 50 paise, and then this disc had some numbers in it. So, you have to add it and find its total. Now, there are many gifts arranged. So, what is the total you are getting? That is, if you are getting 6 discs, and if the number is 3 in all the discs, what happens? What is 6 into 3? 18. Yes. So, if there is a gift with number 18, that gift will belong to you. That is a game. An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs. He added up the numbers on them and found the total was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. The old man went away very pleased. So, an old man got an clock because when he added up the numbers in the disc, the number was 15. And the article of 15 was a beautiful clock. But he told he don't want that. So the shopkeeper bought it back. The old man went very pleased. So now you have to read this story till paragraph 5. You have to read, understand, read it at least 3 times. Only then you will understand. And mark if there is any tough words. Okay? Yes.